Hello again, ChoroQ collectors. Today we have a GTR 34 police car. And by ChoroQ, it says here it came out in 2004, standard line. What else is going on here? Made in Taiwan. Interesting. Seems to be a collection of police cars. So some sort of undercover Skyline, modern Skyline. That's the car in question today. What is that? I think that's like a Choro-Q. That's a Mitsubishi Pajero. I actually have that one, and now it's too plain looking for me to even want. This was $4 or 370 yen-ish. I'm gonna guess maybe that means an 04. This might be the original price tag. So, let's get this open. Seems to have some plastic wrap in it. Oh, I see. So this one doesn't have that windscreen like the real car. Alright. Decent enough taillights. So it has the standard 5-spoke chrome wheels here, and then the decent separation between the white and the black bottom there. The police printing. The police badge is in gold here. Silver headlights. Nothing really else here. Just, molded details. Not even molded in lights like in the front photograph, which I have seen on other ChoroQ police cars. They would add those lights. The only lights are this additional piece on the top. You can see the motor peeking through the smoked window. This side looks the same. So we have just red printing for the taillights. There's some overrun on this one. A bunch of extra red, so that's not good. Special model. The rear wing's a separate piece. Doesn't say what the car is on the bottom, which I find really odd. And then you can see the clear body here. It was just painted alright. So, I guess I'm just going to leave this the way it is. This actually isn't very nice. It's, I guess it's a standard model. I guess when you think of it that way, and you think it was for less than $4, it's okay. It's just, I guess I've been spoiled by the other ChoroQs, which I think I should show you now. Alright, so here's a ChoroQ where they, molded in the extra details. So little light details and that police badge there. This is just well, it does say special on it. It just says patrol car on the bottom. I wonder if it's from the same collection. Hold on here. Gotta get that box back. No, it's not. It's not. Okay, well, anyways, let's put this up there. But what is from that same collection is this this Mitsubishi Pajero. I swapped out the wheels to some, I don't even know what kind of wheels they are. This is a different video on that. Interestingly enough, this is a freebie that came with a canned coffee in Japan. I guess it's a Suntory Boss freebie. You'll notice it actually has better details. It has the windscreen thing. The wheels are much nicer, like BBS style. Still has translucent lights up top. I guess the only thing really missing is, no indication of a clear windshield, but I'm not really bothered by that. I mean, it's a toy. But look at the tails. It has more detail. It's literally molded in Skyline text, the R logo there, and then the lights. It's just a better detailed model. And it was free. I'll put that next to this. It's a different type of deformation, where the roof is a lot lower and the body's high. I like it. I'm going to throw out this old school ChoroQ. It's from, Concrete Western is an old Japanese TV show where they crashed a lot of cars. So that's the old version of a car from that show called the RS1. And here's the ChoroQ Zero of an RS2. So you'll see how they have evolved from this very, very cartoonish style to a more modern, cartoonish style. Let's see if we get overhead. Alright. And if this is a police car enforcing the law, we'll have the Bandai Darth Vader just travel around in it today. Well, boy, I don't know. This is as far as ChoroQs go, not one of the better ones. The printing overrun. Printing overruns is really rare with ChoroQs. They usually do a really good job printing stuff. But this one, the taillights clearly has an overrun there on the left side. And then it's just weird that Suntory Boss GTR has much more detail than this thing. Whereas someone had to buy this one, and that Suntory Boss just had to buy a can of coffee. So I can't imagine a can of coffee costing more than $1.50 in Japan. Whereas this one was more like $3.50. Oh well. Anyways, I'm still going to collect more of these super deformed police cars, so stay tuned for those. Alright, see you then.